Hello guys, I'm here again, Sir Jim, to teach you another examples in this topic, functions. And let's go to our example, okay? So here, let us determine whether the following equations are function or not a function. Okay, so here we need to identify whether an equation is a function or not. Okay, so one way to identify this one is just looking at y. If y has an exponent of 2, okay, so that is not already a function. All right, so if we're going to determine this one, number one, this is a function, okay, because y has only one exponent, okay, or y is this one, okay, raised to 1 rather. Okay, so next, number 2, we have here x squared plus y squared equals 25. So we're going to take a look at the exponent of y. It is squared, so this is not a function. Okay, not a function. Okay, and of course, look at number 3. Y again is raised to 1, so this is a function. Oops, a function. Okay, next, obviously, y is raised to 1, so this is a function. And of course, number 5, function also. This is raised to 1. And number 6, raised to 1, function. Okay, to explain this one further so that we can see whether the equation is a function or not is by looking at their graph. Okay, so let's try to graph number 1. Okay, so this is number 1. If we're going to graph this one using Desmos calculator, okay, so you can search that in Google and you can go right away there and you can graph this equation. So the graph of y equals to x minus 5 is this one. Okay, if we're going to test whether this graph is a function or not by the vertical line test, okay, if we're going to have a vertical line test, all right, so just draw vertical line. There's only one intersection, okay, and draw another line, one intersection again, draw another line, vertical line, one intersection. If there is one intersection only, or one point of intersection, this is a function. Okay, so this is function. Then let's go to number 2. Okay, if we're going to graph x squared plus y squared equals 25, okay, using Desmos again, we have this one. Okay, this is a circle. Okay, so if we're going to have a vertical line test, all right, I'm going to use a black arrow or black line. There are 2 intersections, okay, or point of intersection, right? Another 1, 2 point of intersection. That's why this is not a function. Okay, not a function. Okay, so that is how to test whether an equation is a function or not a function. Next, let's go to number 3. Okay, so if we're going to graph this again, so we have this graph. It's a parabola, okay, because we have here an x squared, so it's obviously a parabola. So if we're going to test again, vertical line test, right? So wait, oops, there's one intersection. Okay, pardon my line because it's hard to make a vertical line. Alright, so there's only one intersection, so therefore this is a function, right? Another one. Number 4, again, the graph is also a parabola. We're going to graph again, test this one using vertical line test. So there you go, we have only one point of intersection. Okay, alright, so this is a function. Okay, so it's very easy, right? It's just, you just test the graph using vertical line test, and you can already determine whether that is a function or not a function. Okay, next, number 5. Take a look at number 5. We're going to graph this one. This is like this one, alright? Of course, using vertical line test again, there's only one intersection. Okay, you test that. One intersection. So therefore this is a function. Alright? And then the last one, we're going to graph this. Okay, we have this graph, right? So vertical line test, vertical line test, vertical line test. Okay, so it's always one intersection. Okay, so this is also a function. Okay, so I hope that you understood our lesson for today, our examples, and there you go. It's very easy to determine whether our equation is function or not. Okay, so thank you so much for listening and watching our video. So till next time, God bless you.